Akron's a great city. The city's growing. We've got a great mayor. There's a lot of development going on here. Great small businesses, large businesses, global headquarters here.
But you also have, the relative, quiet farmland outdoors that are available here. So it's a neat interplay between, what's available to you and being in a mid-sized city with the amenities of a large city, but access to really nice outdoors as well.
We've got all of the things that make quality of life without some of the detriment that being in a bigger city might bring you.
I didn't know what to expect coming to Northeast Ohio, and I guess a little bit surprised to find how great a place it was because I hadn't heard of it.
If I go to the gym, I see people I know, students I know. That doesn't happen in a bigger city.
It's small enough that everyone has access to the different options of the community, and I don't think with bigger cities you have that, and with the smaller cities you just don't have those same options.
This law school has always been a school of opportunity for students who want to go to law school, don't necessarily have the resources to go to a private school, want to practice law in a traditional way. And we've been able to get those kind of people and have them come in and do very, very well and practice in small firms, practice in big firms, become judges, become political leaders.
I did have the opportunity to volunteer with Legal Aid, the Legal Aid Society here in Akron. I volunteered with the Pro Bono Bankruptcy Project, in which we interviewed potential bankruptcy clients, did a little bit of legal research. And the nice thing about programs offered through the Legal Aid Society is that it allows you the opportunity to apply some of the things you learn in the classroom with real-life clients, and you face real-life issues. So it was a bit of a proving ground. I really enjoyed it. Gained some valuable experience and something I'll never forget.
One of the reasons that Akron Law is appealing now to me is the access that professors and administrators provide to students for the opportunities they're interested in. The administrators and the faculty will take an interest in a student and in the areas of the law that they're interested in and help them explore those areas, provide them opportunities to get involved and network in that field. Really get plugged in. So that's a neat thing that looking back now is most appealing, or is very appealing about Akron Law.
There are plenty of other activities that are offered at Akron, but I was able to do the moot court, the trial team, the law review, and I was able to work on top of that. And obviously go to class, and those things I think all really helped refine my skills so that when I got out to the real world I was ready to go. Akron Law sets itself apart because it gets involved in a student's life, and it doesn't just have the classes that any law school will have. It has the activities and it has the involvement that students need. I think students need that encouragement to find something that they love.
It's Akron's connection to the Bar Association that helps the law school get students out into the community in front of local firms, government lawyers, business partners, that then helps them later, hopefully, become gainfully employed in the profession that they've chosen to pursue.
We have an open door policy. So my door is always open, and a student can come by any time. It gives the student constant access. My view is that students don't just need you at a particular time, they may need you at any time. And if you're not available, then you miss that opportunity.
The faculty here at the university they're some of the most valuable resources that this school has to offer. You have a lot of one-on-one attention, and the professors here really care about you. The school is very affordable, so if you do have to take out a loan, the Office of Financial Aid works hard to make sure that affordability isn't really the reason why people do not go to law school here at the University of Akron.
Law school can be very expensive, but if you monitor your finances, you will be able to emerge without massive debt. And I think that's important too, to being fiscally responsible, which is something that everybody looks at.
For most people, and most people who want to do things that are involving public policy, involving organization and management skills, a law degree is a really good opportunity for them at an affordable law school. And we are one of the most affordable law schools in America.